Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing name changes in the context of immigration. I'm making this video regarding, this really pertains, at least in my experience, really acutely to Thai nationals immigrating to the United States. Thai nationals can change their name relatively simply. It's not a particularly cumbersome process as it is in the US, and so we see Thais that have multiple name changes. Sometimes it comes up that they'll change their name in the middle of processing an immigration matter to the United States. Probably a good idea to contact your lawyer before you do that, because depending on what point you are in the U.S. immigration process, that can have a tremendous impact on, on the overall time scales associated with getting the visa. Because if you change your name and you're like mid-processing through the embassy, or you're changing your name and you're dealing with in the middle of dealing with National Visa Center, you may have to add a bunch of documentation. More importantly than that, you've got to sort of explain things to the adjudicating officers. That can add a lot of time. It doesn't negate the case or anything necessarily, but it can add a lot of time. It can delay overall processing rather substantially. So those who are thinking about changing their name, and I'm looking at this definitely from a Thailand context, definitely a good idea. Contact your lawyer before making a final decision and registering a name change, as they'll probably advise you, as I have in many circumstances, just wait until we get your visa. You can change your name, and then it'll be relatively straightforward to make those changes. But again, it depends on circumstances, depends on the facts of a given case, but definitely a good idea to seek legal advice before making that decision.